there, welcome back to my channel. This is Designed by Deshe. As always, I am Audrey Deshe, and today we are going to make a spooky gnome wreath. If you've seen my fall gnome wreath video, then this is going to look very familiar. If you haven't, the link is in the description box and I did it. Aside from the fact that it's a very cute project, it does go a bit slower than this video, so it's a bit more of a tutorial if you need this to slow down just a little. As you guys can see, I took a witch hat wreath and I clipped the brim off of it. I'm now taking a 6-foot shelf liner and I'm wrapping the wreath in that. I love these because they have this kind of burlap look to them, and it really lends itself to the season. Everything that you will see me use here today did come from Dollar Tree, so this is going to be very cost effective and very cute, guys. Now that I have everything glued into place, I'm just going to trim away the excess and then move on to step 2 of decorating this hat. I have my trusty orange deco mesh here. If you've seen any of my fall or Halloween videos, you will know that I use this a lot. Not only is the color perfect for the season, of course, but I love those gold highlights that are threaded through. It gives it just a little touch of glam and a little bit of sparkle. Now let's tie off this mesh and move on to adding some spooky embellishments to his hat. For some reason, I chose to get the hat set up before attaching the beard on this one. Don't do that, guys. It turned into a nightmare trying to attach it. Assemble everything first and then decorate. For the beard, I'm stacking 2 of the Halloween trees on top of each other for length and then attaching them to each other with 2 zip ties. I'm now using zip ties to attach it, and as you can see, it was cumbersome, so attach everything before you decorate. And now let's add a nose. This part was really simple. I just took a styrofoam ball and a nylon stocking cap. I wrapped the ball in it twice, tied it off, and then attached it using a generous amount of hot glue. And now I'm adding more decorations. The tutorial for this 8-loop bow can be found in my shorts if you're interested in seeing how I did it. And now I'm just adjusting the bow, and I'll add the last few touches for the moment before I hang this up. And this is what I ended with in the beginning. It did end up feeling a little too busy for me, so I did make some adjustments before I put it on the door. I like it this way much more, and I now have a creepy, spooky Halloween gnome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please be on the lookout for more content. It's coming regularly. I am constantly thinking of new things. I have new furniture flips on the way as well, so hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. I'll see you guys on the next one.